Alright, so the first thing you're going to do to add a photo to another photo to your multiplicity shots, you'll want to be in Photoshop. You'll go to File, go down to Scripts, then go down to Load Files into Stack. Click on that. Then you're going to browse your computer wherever you saved your photos. Mine are on my desktop. I just took these images from online. So I'm going to use this image. I'm going to press Command on my computer. That way I can select multiple images. And then I click Open. Then click OK. So now what that's doing is adding two images on top of each other. So if I were to see through this one, I have this bottom image and my top image. So what I want to do is add one image to the other. So I'm going to go ahead, select this one. I'm just going to look at this one. Press V on my keyboard to move it. I'm going to erase this person by adding a mask and then doing the invert. So first I'm going to go to mask. Then I'm going to press E for my eraser. I'm going to erase, I want to change the opacity to 100%. Now when I erase, it erases everything 100%. So I get my entire image that I want to have. Right? Now I'm going to press Command I. That allows me to select the inverse. There's a little bit right here I'm missing, so I'm going to press Command I so I can go back. I'm going to erase right around here. Then Command I again. Alright, so now I have the entire image that I want. I want to put this image on top of this image, so I'm going to just select it on this right hand side, move it up to the top, let go, and then now it's on top. That's too big, so I'm going to press Command T to transform this image. I'm going to hold down Shift so that it doesn't change the ratio. Alright, so this is good. I'm going to move this to be in the tree. I'm going to go ahead and rotate it a little bit. Alright, so it's going to go right here. Now that I've got it where I want, I press Enter. Still looks really fake though, so I need to edit this image to blend into the tree. So I'm going to go back to my Erase button. This time I'm going to change the opacity to, I'll go back to that 10%, 11%, and then I'm basically just clicking around the edges so that some of the tree will show up through the image itself. Kind of blends it in. And if that's not exactly how I want it, say I want to change something in there, I can go, well, I won't show you the shortcuts. Instead, I'm going to show you, go to Image, Adjustments. Maybe I want to change the levels. If it's too bright, I can darken it. If it's too light, or if it's not light enough, I can lighten it up until that image is mixed in. I'll click OK. Also, Command U or saturation, I could change it so that it's more black and white by getting rid of saturation or adding color. We don't want to add too much. I'm going to leave it about the same, or you could even change the hue. Then once it's the hue that you want, click OK, and then now you've added a background image that wasn't originally there.